Hello. Today I'm going to show you how you can make these Tippet spool holders from elastic. It's kind of nice. You can just pull it out as you want and roll it back on there like that. You can mark them with the size so you can see it from the side as well. You can make them whichever side, it just depends on how thick your elastic is. So there's a few different ways you can see this done on the internet. I have found most useful to use the insulation, plastic insulation off of a piece of relatively large gauge wire. So you just take your strippers. That's not, yeah, there we go. Okay, take your strippers. Try not to knock everything over. And get you a piece off of there. Get that off. Get a little. Your edges are a little. That's not too bad. All right. Then what you need some elastic. You saw the elastic on there, and the way you can do this is just I raided my wife's sewing stash with permission, but you just measure around, and you want this to be. See, you want it to be a little smaller because it's going to stretch. So you want it to stretch some and hold. So about like that's how I have it. You need something that you can put this end on so you don't burn your fingers. Just makes it a lot easier to have these tweezers. Oh, yes, the first thing, when you have this, when you're using the wider stuff in this size, you need to come and trim this down. So when you wrap it around, it doesn't overlap too much, and you can get your shrink tubing on, or you'll need to get bigger shrink tubing. So then we're going to take hot glue gun, get some glue on here. One side, flip it over. The other side, stick it on. Got it on there. Good. And we can take this and flip this around so we can hold the other side. This is just electrical shrink tubing. Came in a kit that I have of electrical connectors. Slide it on there all the way. Then you're going to take your lighter and shrink it. You don't get too much flame. You're just touching it just so it shrinks. Slide it through from the back side. The thing is, once you've done it, you don't have to change it for a long time. We got that. This is 0.20, 0.20 mil. So we can come in here and write 0.20 on it. Like that. And you're ready to go.